So, my tour to the Sierra Nevada was cancelled for today due to the bad weather. But I rebooked it for Monday and I booked another tour. I go hiking on with snowshoes. But today I'm gonna discover the city of Granada. So instead of that tour today, I'm gonna do a self-paced city walk through Granada, and I'm gonna add all the information in the blog post or in the description below about how to do this tour. If you like to do the same, which places to visit, with all the practical travel information included. I just was at the Plaza del Carmen, and now I'm gonna go Corral del Carbón. I actually didn't even know what it is, but it's like a commercial warehouse, the only left in the Iberian continent from the Nasrid period. But I need to ask the girl what is the water thing. So I didn't know what the water thing was, but I got a photo with it. If you really want to know everything, you can also do like tours with audio, or there's also a lot of free city tours. And what I like about Granada is all these really small streets. You see them everywhere. That street is also called the Little Marrakesh sometimes because of all the tea houses, and it looks really nice. And it's on the way to the San Nicolás viewpoint, where you have a very beautiful view of the Alhambra, but you have to not mind walking stairs up. So that was the famous viewpoint of San Nicolás, where you can see the Alhambra. Cuevas del Sacromonte, that's it. In this area there's a lot of caves and places and bars where they offer like flamenco shows, or you can have a dinner and while you watch a flamenco show. I'm in the Cave Museum, and yes, the view to the Alhambra is beautiful, but I'm here in the afternoon. It's like 3:30 p.m. or so, and the sun, if you like making photos, you take photos against the sun. So it's recommended to go in the morning. And now the museum is really in the cave. You can see all this. So it's a bit of a labyrinth. I'm gonna have a look here.